Leche Flan. Prepare your containers. Then your linera. We need vanilla, condensed milk and evaporated milk, white sugar, 10 pieces egg yolks, separate the egg yolks from the white. Then transfer the egg yolks into the bowl and stir. Then add the condensed milk. Add the evaporated milk. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir and mix it well. Next, caramelize the 1/4 white sugar. Halakay ang mabuti hanggang sa mag-caramel yung sugar. Then after that, salain ang mabuti ang mixture to achieve a smooth flan. Then put the caramelized into the linera. And after setting the caramelized into the linera, put the mixture into the linera and cover it well with foil to avoid the water to enter the linera. And put it to the steamer and heat it with very low in 40 minutes. Take a note, the steamer is already boiled before the mixture put in. After 40 minutes, the Leche Flan is ready to serve. Then transferred it into the plastic containers. Yummy! Smooth and delicious! Try it now! It's very easy. Just follow the procedures and collect all the ingredients. It could be a good source of income. It is also a delicious snack. So now, make your own Leche Flan version. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share. And hit the bell button to notify you every time there is an updated upload. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless us all.